Hiya. Hello, doggy. He's a lion. Like that. Listen, you. I've had enough of this. I'm fed up with your antics. You've been licking my paws. I don't want my paws licked. You've been eating my cheese. You've been eating my cheese. Your benefactor has pulled out of your lion teddy habit because your lion's too much of a teddy bear. And you need to tidy up your act, pull up your socks. You have no such thing as depression. Aye, a 1970s view. Listen, be gay if you want. Be straight. Be disabled. Just be a human. Because human beings are the best beings. Human beings. Where are my humans? My dogs are human. This dog's a human. She's a human being. Hey you fluffy bugger. Aye. You're going to eat it. I'm going to eat you. Here, everyone thinks these are slippers, but they're actually shoes. Their feet like pig's trotters. What? I started that off. Get that. Get that. Hey, I do a little turn on the catwalk. On the catwalk, yeah.